everyone. This is Robyn, my friend and amazing hairstylist, wig maker, makeup artist. What else do you do, girl?
I pray. I order food.
Yes, I eat bacon. Well,
I eat bacon. Yes,
I don't eat bacon.
Still eat bacon.
Yes. So I asked Robyn to give me like a makeover because she's an amazing wig maker. How did this start?
Oh my God. You wanted me to do a U part.
Yes, I did. That is how it started.
That is how this started.
Yeah.
And so sometimes you have to have standards and be like, you know what, sis? I'm not doing this for you. She wanted me to fix something she had. It was actually a kinky curly wig.
Yes.
And then it got bigger and...
Well, this is what happened. I got the wig, and just like anybody who doesn't actually have a wig, okay, this is the first time you're probably hearing this, but I put it like in a plastic bag, and I just like left it in the bag for like 3 months, 4 months, something like that. And then I took it out and I was like, cool, I want to wear this.
But the texture of the U part was really, really, really kinky.
Yeah. She was like, this doesn't even match your hair. Why did you buy this?
No.
So that's how it started. It started with a U part wig. We didn't really know I didn't know. I thought it was fixable, but she was like, you know what, girl, like, what kind of styles are you thinking about? Like, what do you like? And then she became my wigologist? Is that a word?
Let's run with it.
You kind of became like my hair therapist, right?
Yeah, so then like many clients that actually have my cell send you like 35 inspirational pictures of what they might possibly want. Mm-hmm. But I saw where she was going. So we both envisioned a bob, nothing longer than a bob. And then it kind of went into a lob.
It went to a lob. Mm-hmm.
Because then she can kind of do a big chop on the bob later.
So now we're together, and I haven't seen the wig yet, and we're gonna put it on, and I'm super excited. Yeah, girl, right? It's like a wedding. Like I'm meeting my man for the first time.
Yes, it's a blind hair date. So she's never seen it before.
Yes.
We've talked about it. I went over all the pictures. All the pictures.
Yes.
And I feel that we kind of have a match. So can we show you guys?
I'm so excited.
Now we're gonna get going. What I love about Delina's hair, I just love it. I think it frames her perfectly. But I want to create a unit that will complement her, but will be less maintenance. I don't want to create more work because her hairstyle clearly is low maintenance. And we're doing a middle part, right?
Yes, we're doing a middle part.
We wanted to do something. I hate using severe. I always think of severe when it comes to discussing a bob. What's another word?
What does severe mean? Like when you say when you say severe bob, like what does that mean?
Severe bob.
I can find another word.
I think it's referring to just how bold it is. Well,
okay.
Bold.
Bold. It's a bold bob. A BB.
Hey.
What do I look like right now? Do I look like Snape? You know Snape from Harry Potter?
Oh, wait.
Snape. No. Did you ever watch Harry Potter?
Here we go.
This feels great. Like it feels secure. Like I feel, is it like elastic in there?
There's actually 2 elastic bands. I put one.
You guys, I feel like this hair is not going anywhere.
The wig already has, let me see. The wig already has an elastic band, and then I added another one.
Okay.
Just so that you can be a little bit more secure.
It feels so interesting to have like hair on my head. Because I'm so used to I've had my hair short now for like 2 years.
So I'm going to have to pull forward, and I need you to push your head backwards.
Okay, so wait.
All right, fight me.
Ah!
Okay, so I've just secured the bag, aka the wig. And how does it feel?
It feels really good. It feels like it's like attached to my head. Like every other time I've like tried to put on just a random wig like at like a store or something, and you put it on, it feels like it's like off of your head, and you almost have to like pin it. Like I feel like I don't have to touch this. Like it's already on. You know what I mean?
Yeah. We actually, what I did, not only did we discuss the look, but I actually got her measurements. So she
I came by the studio.
Yeah, she came by the studio where I work.
Yeah. And
I got her memeasurements. And so this is actually in exact fit to her head. I didn't want there to be any bulk. It's custom. So that helps it be a great fit. But then also, because I didn't get to fit her prior to this, she hasn't seen it at all, I added an additional elastic band just in case for added security. What I'm gonna do, now it's on, I actually left like just a little bit of her baby hair, literally like a 1/4 of an inch.
Is that like a pro tip? Like putting a little baby hair out? Because I feel like whenever I see First of all, I think you're like the best wig maker that I know. So I'm like really honored that you did this for me because like every time you do stuff like you know how you do those videos and then you take it and then you're like boom and then you just like move it or you're like
yeah,
and
so
you like tug it. And
on my
like,
personal
whoa.
page,
Yeah.
I'll literally be bald headed and then like put
like,
my hair on.
Yeah, and it's so cool. So is this like baby hair thing? Is that like a trick?
It can be. So some people don't have baby hair, so we have to move differently. But for you do. So I actually feel for new wig wearers, it's just a softer way to add the wig. So when people talk to you, oftentimes they talk to your hairline because they're trying to see, is this yours? What's what? So when they're talking to you, they really are talking to your. Oh,
you said they talk to your hair.
You know how like so when women to women when we like the person's hair, we're talking to them, but we're all in their hair. The same as like,
so true.
Right. So we're trying to figure out, does she have pieces? Is that a wig? Where does it start? Is it hers? God, is it hers?
Is it real?
Is it real? So what I like to do is just leave a little bit of your own perimeter out in front of the piece, so that way it just kind of creates a little bit of an illusion.
Okay, dope.
So that's my pro tip. But if someone does not have edges,
yes.
Then we just pull her all the way down.
Okay.
So what happens is if you just continue to curl it all the way down to the end, it will make like more of like a Shirley Temple curl, and that's not what we want.
Got you.
So I actually then take the flat irons and make the ends bone straight.
You see me trying to watch it from the side. She's
trying to peek, y'all. No. So that's like my trick. I love a beach wave. I kind of like a done, undone look. And so I'm one of the rare hairstylists that doesn't want you to look like you just left me. I just want you to have great hair.
I love that.
You know what I mean?
Yes, I love that.
Same thing with makeup. I'm sure you just kind of want to enhance their look
For sure.
rather than make them feel like they got a complete facelift. So although we can do that, I'm not really into a complete change.
You know, I'm the same way actually. Like when it comes to makeup, like I feel like maybe that's also why I like your styling and like what you do, because I feel like you like the way you do hair complements the way that I see makeup. Like I like when people I like for people to look like themselves. Like I'm not into like transformational. Like I just want you to be like an enhanced version of you.
Right.
No. Okay, so tell me how I need to store this thing, because I'm just like, how am I supposed to like make sure she stays cute?
Okay, so to store it, I would just get like a regular styrofoam head.
Okay.
So you can find that, I'm sure, at like any Beauty Supply store, anywhere you're at. A styrofoam head and just some T-pins, so that'll secure it on the head. And then you can just kind of get like a table clamp. You don't really have to get like a whole wig tripod stand situation.
Okay.
And then you can curl this. You can do this look with a wand curl, but you just have to use a bigger barrel.
Okay.
And you're not.
Let me see what you're using. What is this?
I'm using a flat iron.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So what's cool about the flat irons is you get to smooth and style at the same time.
Okay. Cool.
So I'm smoothing. No.
Okay.
It depends where I want to add the volume. If I want to add volume, I'll take smaller sections. Okay. I can also tease it a little bit.
Okay.
I can also add there's like powder that you can tap into the hair that kind of makes it expand a little bit too.
Okay.
So I like the flat iron because I get to smooth and style. And it also helps me control exactly what I'm doing. I'm straightening it and waving it at the same time. At the same dang time.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're pretty much done. I like to finger style it. No combs, no brush, nothing needed. I'm using hair that's really effortless. This hair is really smooth, so I'm actually adding the texture into the hair. Okay. So I don't have to smooth it out too much. It's already smooth. One of the things I like to do that kind of keeps it a little loose, a little beachy, is add some dry shampoo.
Okay.
So the dry shampoo, you can also use like a texturizing spray, but it kind of just dries it up a little bit and makes it a little bit piecier. And if I don't want to put it directly on the hair, I can spray it into my hands and work it in. And then I just finger style it back in place to how I want it.
Is it is it white or do you have to get like, you know what I mean? Like sometimes I put dry shampoo and I feel like it gets gray.
Sometimes if you spray it directly on the hair, it's
Okay.
gonna get gray. I started spraying it in the back,
Yeah.
and I saw the effects starting to happen.
Okay.
So then I started to go on my hands.
Gotcha.
So
And then just kind of like shake it out.
yeah, and then I'll kind of just go in and grab the hair and place it exactly where I want it. You can also use a texturizing hairspray, like Oscar Blondie has some good ones. Next, I actually have something from Joico. It's called Hair Shaker.
Okay.
It's a liquid to powder finishing texturizer. This is just going to, and I'm gonna step back a little bit. So it sprays on and it goes on as a liquid, but it's gonna finish off as a powder and it'll help you get like that messy. When you're in LA, we call it beachy surfer girl. When we're in New York, as we are, it's more rocker. Are we ready for the unveil? What do you guys think?
I'm like so excited. All right, so we're finished. Robyn has worked her magic. I have not seen it yet, which I'm super, you're so pumped. I'm pumped too, but I feel like you're more pumped than I am.
I'm pumped only because we've talked about it and it's been so many months in between actually talking about it to making it happen.
Yeah.
So I can't wait for her to see.
Did she have a name first?
You have to give her
Oh,
a
I
name.
have to give her a
You have
name?
to name her
Okay.
when you look at yourself.
Okay.
And how does she...
Like, who is she?
Who is she? Is
Okay.
she Tiffany? Is she Sasha? Is she... I don't know.
Who is she?
Let's see.
Okay, you guys ready? All right, let's see what I look like. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. I look like a different person. I'm into it. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Oh, it looks really nice, Robyn. I'm into it. Oh, I love it. Thank you. This looks great.
Okay.
This is so cute.
How does it feel?
It feels
How do
so
you think
good.
the waves compliment you? What do
It's
you
amazing.
think?
I feel like it's like the perfect length too. Like it feels like a good length. It feels really light. It feels like the hair feels good. You know what I mean?
Good.
Wow. I've not had long hair in so long. It's like, look at me. I'm like acting like I have though.
Wait,
I'm like,
right,
let me just flip it back.
Right. So what's her name?
Oh my gosh. Okay, what is her name? All right, what do we need to call her? I don't know. When I was younger, I always wanted to be a Jasmine. I felt like Jasmine was like a cute
Jasmine.
name. Do you like that?
I can say Jasmine.
I feel like she should be Jasmine.
But is she Jasmine with an S or a Z? Because that's a big deal.
Ooh.
Yeah, listen.
What's the Disney Princess Jasmine? How's she spelled?
S.
S. That's what I want to be.
Okay.
I want to be Disney Princess Jasmine. Even though this isn't.
I wanted her to
she
be
did kinda
around
have-
the corner, Jazz.
You want to be Jazz.
Just call her Jazz, right?
This is so pretty. Girl, I'm glad I beat my face a little bit though, because I feel like otherwise I would have been like, ah.
What I love about
So
this
cute.
look, like this type of wave, is you really cannot mess it up. And the more you touch it, it gets
Yes.
better. If you don't want to touch it, it'll settle. Some of the waves will settle into themselves or into the next one, into the one next to it. And so it just kind of creates a softer glam. But the more you touch it, it gets bigger. It's more rocker. It's more effortless.
That's amazing.
I love it.
I love it too. I think it looks really good. This is perfect.
Yeah.
I want to say thank you to Robyn because this took some hours, okay? Maybe some days, you know? So she really hooked it up for me and I want to say thank you. I appreciate it. And if you want to get a wig made, you need to hit up my girl, Robyn Michele, at Robyn Michele Beauty with...
Okay, so it's Robyn with a Y, Michele with one L,
Yes.
Beauty on Instagram.
Yes.
This I actually call it Luxe Unit. So that's what I create on my sewing machine. Everything's made personally by me. You can go to luxeunit.com, LUXEUNIT, or you can also follow me at The Wig House.
You can also follow me at Delina Medhin on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and all things social media. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!